In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bend shapes in Figma. We'll walk through a simple, practical way to take a basic shape and turn it into something more organic and curved using Figma's own tools. This is great for creating custom icons, badges, abstract backgrounds, or any design that needs a bit more personality than a plain rectangle or circle. First, go ahead and open a Figma file or page where you'd like to work. This can be an existing design you're editing or a brand new file. If you're starting from scratch, you might want to create a new frame so everything stays organized. Just make sure you're on the canvas and ready to draw. Next, look for the Shape tool in the toolbar. In Figma's interface, this is usually represented by a little rectangle or another geometric icon near the top of the screen. Click on that shape icon to open the shape options. Here, you can choose from rectangles, lines, arrows, ellipses, polygons, stars, and more. Now, select the type of shape you want to bend. For beginners, a rectangle or an ellipse is a good starting point because it's easy to visualize the bending effect. Once you've chosen your shape, click and drag on the canvas to draw it. Don't worry too much about getting the exact size right at this stage. You can always resize it later by dragging the corners. With your shape selected, we're going to switch into a mode that lets you edit its structure. Look for the Edit Object or Vector Edit icon in the toolbar. This is often represented by a small pen or node icon. Click on that and you'll notice your shape now shows anchor points or nodes along its outline. These points are what you'll use to bend the shape. You can click and drag any of these points to change the contour. If you see handles extending from a point, dragging those will create smooth curves rather than sharp angles. Take your time here. Move one point a little, adjust the handles, and watch how the shape gradually bends and flows. As you experiment, try to keep your changes intentional and subtle. Small adjustments usually look smoother and more professional. You can always use undo if something doesn't look right. When you're happy with the form, simply switch back to the regular move tool to continue designing, now with a custom bent shape you created yourself.